Every day, developers lose hours to workflow friction. They switch between code reviews, security dashboards, pipeline logs, issue boards, and documentation. Every context switch costs 15 to 25 minutes of deep focus. The result? Slower releases, more bugs, burned out teams. What if one agent could handle all of it? Meet Commander. One agent, 7 specialist mindsets, over 60 integrated GitLab tools. You say what you need in plain language. Commander detects your intent, activates the right specialists, and delivers a unified, actionable response. No menus, no mode selection, no switch in tools, just results. Let me show you. When you open Commander, all 7 specialists are standing by. Scout for code intelligence, Striker for code review, Guardian for security, Mechanic for pipelines, Commander for project management, Scribe for documentation, and Architect for planning. Let's put them to work. First, Scout. I ask a simple question about the project. Watch how Scout instantly maps the entire project structure, identifies every file, explains its purpose, and offers to dive deeper. No commands, no flags, just a question in plain English. Now, Striker. I ask for a code review. Striker reads the entire file, categorizes findings by severity, critical, medium, low, cross-references with other files in the project, and delivers a clear verdict with numbered action items. This is a senior-level code review, delivered in seconds. Guardian is the security specialist. It runs an automated vulnerability scan first. When no CVEs are found, it doesn't stop there. It performs a manual security review of every file. Watch, it identifies prompt injection risks from broad tool permissions, checks project security settings, and even flags that secret push protection is disabled. This is what a senior security engineer does. Commander does it automatically. Mechanic handles pipelines and debugging. Here's what's impressive. This project doesn't use traditional CI/CD. Instead of just saying, no pipeline found, Mechanic understands the context. It explains that this project uses AI catalog sync, verifies the sync succeeded, and shows the full commit history. Context-aware intelligence. Now the Commander mindset for project management. This is the moment that blew me away during testing. Commander finds the open issue with a checklist showing 0 out of 7 items completed. But then it cross-references the checklist with the actual commit history and discovers that 5 out of 7 tasks are already done. The checkboxes say 0. The evidence says 5. Commander figured that out on its own. That's not just reading data, that's thinking. Scribe generates documentation. From a single request, it produces a complete technical document. Overview, architecture diagram, all 7 specialists documented with triggers and tools, execution protocol, tool inventory, and version history. A human technical writer would need a full day for this. Scribe does it in seconds. Finally, Architect, the master builder. I ask for a notification system. Architect doesn't give me one answer. It designs 3 complete approaches: platform-native triggers, enhanced flow logic, and external webhooks. Each approach comes with architecture diagrams, code examples, and a comparison table. Then it recommends the best path forward for our specific context. This is solutions architecture delivered on demand. But here's where Commander truly shines. Multi-mindset activation. When a request spans multiple domains, Commander doesn't pick one specialist. It activates all relevant ones simultaneously. Watch. Striker analyzes code quality while Guardian checks security. Both report in a single unified response. One question, multiple experts, one battle report. And now the ultimate test. One question that activates every single specialist. Scout maps the codebase. Striker reviews quality. Guardian scans security. Mechanic checks the pipeline. Commander triages issues. Scribe verifies documentation. Architect recommends what's next. 7 specialists, one unified battle report from a single sentence. This is Commander. Commander also works on autopilot. When assigned to a merge request, it automatically reviews the code, checks security, and posts the structured report. When mentioned in an issue, it automatically triages, categorizes the type, assesses priority, suggests labels, and recommends next steps. 0 prompting required. Commander watches and acts. Commander transforms how developers work inside GitLab. No more switching between 5 tools, no more waiting days for code reviews, no more guessing why pipelines failed, no more security debt growing silently. 1 agent, 7 specialists, 60+ tools, total workflow domination. Built by John Robinson for the GitLab AI Hackathon 2026, with the assistance of GitLab Duo Chat.